Welcome to today's video. We're going to be talking about the weather coming up. We're going to be talking about potential severe weather today, a marginal risk of severe weather, and some snow in New York, and some freezing rain in Michigan, and some snow and potentially in the New England states. So let's get started. Alright, when we got Friday at 8 a.m., we got some freezing rain in Michigan, some rain in Michigan, some rain in Michigan Peninsula, and some freezing rain. Then we got potentially some freezing rain in Canada. We got some snow in Maine and some of the New England states we can see also. We can see it got some rain in Washington and Oregon too. We can see also on here. So we can see we got some rain in Michigan Peninsula too. We can see also. So then we got some rain over in Washington, Idaho, and Montana too. We can see. Then we got Friday at 11 a.m. too. We can see in New York, we got snow in New York. We got some rain in Michigan. We got some rain in Wisconsin too. It looks like scattered. Then it looks like we got some rain up in Washington, Oregon. We can see even maybe some snow up there too. Montana, we got some rain. Idaho too. We can see them. Looks like we got some rain down in Florida also too. We can see on here also on this thing too. Looks like we got some freezing rain in parts of Canada too, and snow in New York. So let's move on. So got Friday at 2 p.m. We could potentially have some rain in Ohio. That could be maybe a potential thunderstorm we could have too in Ohio and PA potentially. Then we could have rain in New York, some snow in parts of New York, and you can see in some of the New England states we could even have snow too at 2 p.m. today. So then it looks like in Washington we got some rain and snow also. In Oregon too, we can see also on there. So just checking out everything what's going on today. So today is the first day of spring, everybody. It is the first day of spring 2026. Happy spring, everyone. So let's keep looking at more weather. All right, so Friday at 5 p.m. we have some scattered rain in Ohio, PA, New York. Then we got some snow in New York and some of the New England states and Maine too. We can see we got some rain in Washington, some snow, and potentially in Washington too. Then we got we got some rain in Idaho too, some rain in Montana. Get some rain in Ohio, West Virginia, Pennsylvania, potentially some storms maybe. Get some snow in some of the New England states and freezing rain in New York too. We can see in snow in Maine too. We're going to be able to see in rain in West Virginia too. We can see also. So we got some Friday 8 p.m. we got some rain in Ohio, Pennsylvania, New York, some snow in some of the New England states, in Maine too. Then we got some rain in Washington too, and snow. We got some snow in Montana too. We can see also. So looking pretty good for this forecast so far. Then we got a low pressure system off in Ohio, PA, New York. We can see also on there. So just keep track of that. So got that on there. We got Friday at 11 p.m. We got some snow in Maine and some of the New England states. We got freezing rain too. We can see. So we got some rain in Ohio, Pennsylvania, West Virginia, Virginia, and Kentucky too. We can see. We get some rain in Maryland too. We can see. We got some rain in Washington, Oregon. We can see rain in Idaho, Montana. We can see also rain in Virginia too. We got some snow in Maine too. We can see on there. Sorry, I keep yawning. The yawns are in the air today. We got the rain in Idaho. We got rain in Montana potentially. We could have also for this. We got some rain in West Virginia, Virginia too. We can see also. So let's get this moving on. So Saturday at 2 a.m. we got some rain in Pennsylvania, Ohio, West Virginia, Maryland. We can see some snow in parts of Maine, some freezing rain in parts of the New England states too. Then we get some rain in Washington, Oregon, Montana too. We can see for this. Then we can see also we got a low pressure system over in the New England states for 11 p.m. tonight. So no, 2 a.m. Sorry guys. All right, 5 a.m. At 5 a.m. we could have some rain in Ohio, West Virginia, Pennsylvania, Maryland, some snow scattered up in Maine, some snow up in the New England states, and some rain up in we can see in parts of Massachusetts. We can see also in some rain in New Jersey we could have too. All right, 8 a.m. on Saturday. It's pretty much moved out. So let's move. So we have looks like something else gonna try to come its way in, but we're gonna see if something happens. This might be for another video. We might talk about this if this keeps growing. This might be tomorrow's video if something like happens with this. So got some snow in Maine. Got some rain in West Virginia. In Maryland, we can see we got some scattered rain. Looks like in Oregon and Idaho too. We can see in Montana. So let's move on to our severe weather outlook. All right, this is our severe weather outlook for today. We got a marginal chance of severe weather in Ohio, West Virginia, Pennsylvania. Then we got a typical thunderstorm risk in Ohio, PA, Virginia. We can see in Kentucky too. We can see on here. So nothing really extreme or nothing. We have a tornado risk of 2% in Ohio, PA, West Virginia today. We can see also in that small area. Our wind risk of 5% we can see in parts of Ohio, PA, West Virginia, and Kentucky too. Then we can see our hail risk is a 5% risk in Ohio, PA, West Virginia, and Virginia, in Maryland too, in Kentucky too. We can see also. So that's pretty much it for that. So we remember risk. So let's look how much rain we're gonna get from this also, and our snow totals and our freezing rain totals, guys. So let's get that started. All right, everyone. So this is for Friday at 2 p.m. We've got some rain falling in New York. We can see also. You can see for this also as we got 0.4 inches of rain has fallen. This is for the 12-hour forecast. We can see for the last 12 hours. We can see this is from, let's say, from Friday 2 a.m. to 2 p.m. We can see we can have 0.4 inches of rain that falls. Parts of Canada, we got 0.4 inches of rain that's fallen. We got parts of PA with 0.3 inches of rain that's fallen. So let's move on. Hold on. All right, Friday by 7 p.m. we could have a 0.4 or even 0.6 inches of rain that's fallen in some spots. Like we can see 0.6, 0.7 in parts of New York. Even in New England states, we could have that too. Then we could see in Pennsylvania, we could have 0.1, 0.2, 0.3 inches of rain that's fallen. Also, in 0.5 in parts of Canada, we can see also on here. So, pretty interesting details, everyone. So, all right. So, this is our 12-hour totals. We can see this is Saturday at 2 a.m. We can see, let's get our 24-hour totals actually up to. So this is our 24-hour totals. We can see we got 0.3, 0.4 in parts of New York too. We can see also on here. In 0.5 inches of rain, we can see also on this thing. In 0.2. Yeah, WeatherBell has some good models. That's why I use WeatherBell, guys. WeatherBell has some cool models actually, guys. So West Virginia, 0.2 inches of rain. You can see, then we can see really all of our rain totals pretty much at 8 a.m. on Saturday. We got 0.4 inches in parts of Pennsylvania, 0.2, 0.4 in parts of New York, 0.5 in parts of the New England states we can see, and even 0.2 inches we can see in parts of PA too. In New York, we could have in Maine half an inch of rain, 0.6, 0.7 inches of rain. So let's look at our snow totals, everyone. Let me just load that up. Sorry, guys. So this is going to be our snow totals, everyone, for the next 24 hours. It's not going to be an extreme amount of snow or nothing. So we're going to see maybe a few inches in upper New York, 5 inches, and maybe a couple of the New England states, 5, 6 inches, maybe potentially even 7, maybe, but might not happen 7 inches. Maybe you get 6 to 5 in some spots, or even a few inches in parts of Maine. We have 1 to 3 inches in some parts of Maine also. We can only see things like that. So nothing really that much of snow. So let's see. All right, so this is our freezing rain totals. We can see for a Saturday, we can see got 0.5 potentially of freezing rain, 0.25 in parts of Canada, and 0.5 in parts of one of the two of the New England states. Maybe that. Nothing really that much, actually. Not much freezing rain at all here. So we're gonna see what our I hope you enjoyed watching this video one. Thank you for watching. Make sure to subscribe, notification so you never miss a video like this, guys. Okay, guys, see you guys in the next one.